In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unsubscribe from Grammarly in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to cancel because you no longer need the premium features, you're switching to a different writing tool, or you just want to avoid the next billing cycle, this guide will walk you through the full process from start to finish. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and log into your Grammarly account at grammarly.com. Make sure you sign in with the same email address that's connected to your paid subscription, because if you're using the wrong account, you may not see the cancellation options. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Account. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage your profile and subscription details. From there, find and select Subscription in the side panel. This section contains all the information about your current plan, including your billing status, renewal details, and the option to manage or cancel your membership. If you're on a paid plan, you should see a Cancel Subscription option displayed on the page. Go ahead and click Cancel Subscription to begin the cancellation process. Grammarly may ask you a few questions or offer different prompts before completing the cancellation, so take a moment to read each screen carefully. Depending on your account, you may be asked to confirm why you're leaving, or review the effects of ending your plan. Continue following the final on-screen prompts until the cancellation is fully confirmed. Once you complete those steps, your Grammarly subscription should be successfully cancelled. It's always a good idea to double-check the subscription page afterward to make sure your plan no longer shows an active paid renewal. If you don't see the cancel option, that usually means you may be signed into a different account, or your plan may have been purchased through a third party like Apple or Google, which would need to be cancelled through that platform instead. So if the button isn't showing, that's the first thing I would check, and that's how to unsubscribe from Grammarly quickly and easily. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.